sense of me being frustrated with all these guys, and I didn't even know all of them are coming. What? Who's coming to my house tomorrow? You guys don't even know. Nobody knows where I live, so that's a good thing. So they'll get lost on the way. Yeah, I can tell. She doesn't have a meeting tomorrow about like 500 people. I didn't even know that they were all coming. But yeah, so she's like, I understand, and like, that's gonna be fun though, for all these people have directions to your house, and I can't know. I can't let you guys know where I live. I'll meet you at the park. I told my grandma that if oh, not my grandma, but I told them that if it's really nice out, we can go outside. Because there's no sense of having a meeting inside if it's not doing anything, and if the sun's shining.
Sure.
And plus the thing is, kind of, if we have our meeting, the dogs are going to be barking inside. It's going to wake up, yeah, every day. And then, if they start barking, it's going to wake up the kids, and then everybody starts talking, it's going to wake up, you know. So I think it'd just be good if we're outside, but it's going to try to be inside, especially the kids. Which I understand. Yep. Tomorrow's just going to be hectic. I don't want to get pushed. I'm getting pushed out already. And summer just started.
It started, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
No. Summer vacation from school started for me. In the high school.
I know, but summer ain't started yet.
Oh, whatever. Oh,
Yes. Started yet.
Yes.
We have to start working on the conference too.
Summer has started for me. Because I'm done with school. I can tell. Here's your opinion, but you know what?
I know. I did.
So anyways, you want to know what I call my teacher today?
I don't know, is it something nice or something we're going to get in trouble for?
No. It's just which, you know, just take the waves out of you.
Okay.
Put the word B in front of it. We're all good.
Yeah, right.
Alright. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. You know, we won't. You'll see me Wednesday.
Oh, Linda.
Wait, please.
You're gonna kill me, Linda.
No, ain't gonna kill you.
No. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
I can't see the kids tomorrow after talking to those weird people. Come on, Linda.
Oh, well, I can't tell you that. I mean, if you're gonna come over afterwards to visit, that's your business.
I am. I gotta get away from that place. They might drive me crazy.
Drive. I won't tell you what my brother says. Drive. That's a short cut. He always tells me that.
Nobody always says. Alright, I'll see you Wednesday.
Okay.
Bye, Tasia. Bye. Have fun dancing. She doesn't even know what I'm talking about. See you later.
Bye. Man, it's late. I thought it was earlier than this.
Do you want me to call?
Who are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters? Wait, you have your keys?
Yeah, my coat pocket.
Oh! Linda, will you come pick us up?
I don't feel like it. I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, what's your